Good morning, everyone. This is Phil with TOUR Campervans, and I wanted to give you a tour of the van we recently just finished. Right here, customer wanted a pull-out bed, so you can sleep there with his wife. The part in the back pulls out as well. We had to separate it because the seat is actually tilted, so it has to come in two pieces. And he wanted it to flip up so you can access storage underneath. And there's a custom cushion still on the way. It'll actually be a 6-inch mattress. It'll come on top, being gray vinyl. Right here we have push latches and drawers. Cubby underneath. Then more storage right here. Let me go around and show you the rest. Also installed a ladder for the customer. Right here. Both seats swivel. Amazing because it gives you so much room. The customer wanted to leave a lot of room right here so you can have his kids sleep there sideways. Let's go and check this cabinet out. Right here, cup holders. When you're on the road so nothing moves. And right here, way more storage. Right here, I pulled the countertop further. Looks really nice. And then when you go to the back, right here is a bottle opener. And then this thing pulls out as well. So even if you want to have a little bench right here, you can. And just hang out in the back when it's cold. There's more storage right here. Deep storage for like blankets, all the bigger items. This is the van. Look at this view. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below.